Meanwhile, Maharashtra and Delhi have both put up their hands, saying that there is no Covaxin available to vaccinate those between the ages of 18 to 45. Delhi has accused the centre of partisan politics. The BJP, meanwhile, has hit back, saying multiple states are floating global tenders. Delhi is only casting aspersions at the centre to hide its own failures. So the centre and the states are fighting it out now, fighting each other, when they really should be coming together to fight this virus and save people.
It's the biggest weapon in the fight against the coronavirus. But for India, it is also proving to be the biggest challenge. Scaling up vaccination has hit a hurdle, with stocks running low. In the national capital, the stock of Covaxin for those between 18 to 45 years of age has completely finished. The Aam Aadmi Party government claims that 125 vaccination centres have been forced to shut down. The Delhi government has even released a letter from Bharat Biotech to the health secretary, saying that it cannot make any additional supplies.
ये जिम्मेदारी लेनी चाहिए केंद्र सरकार को कि अगर वैक्सीन 6.5 करोड़ वैक्सीन एक्सपोर्ट नहीं की गई होती तो दिल्ली और मुंबई के एक-एक आदमी को 2-2 बार डबल डोज लग चुकी होती अब तक वैक्सीन की। मैं फिर से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा केंद्र सरकार से कि देश में, राष्ट्र में इस समय जो संकट है उसकी गंभीरता को समझें, एक्सपोर्ट सारा बंद करें, मास स्केल पे प्रोडक्शन कराएं, नहीं तो ये थर्ड वेव, फोर्थ वेव, फिफ्थ वेव में हमारे लोग वैसे ही मरते रहेंगे जैसे इस सेकंड वेव में मरे।
The Delhi government claims that even Covishield shots for those between 18 and 45 will only last 3 days at most.
ग्रांट के रूप में, मदद के रूप में, एड के रूप में मात्र 1 करोड़ वैक्सीन ही भेजा गया है। हम हिसाब किताब में बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ना चाहते। हम अगर कुछ कहना चाहते हैं तो केवल हाथ जोड़ के कहना चाहते हैं कि प्लीज लेट्स नॉट हैव पॉलिटिक्स इन ऑल दिस। और आज तथ्यों के साथ भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने विषय को रखा है। अरविंद जी, आप इसको समझिए और कृपया करके भ्रम मत फैलाइए।
Maharashtra too has stopped administering Covaxin jabs for the age group of 18 to 45. The state has decided to prioritize those above 45 years of age who are awaiting their second dose. Maharashtra Health Minister says that the state needs close to 8 lakh doses of Covaxin, but only 35,000 are currently available.
हर्षवर्धन जी को रात को बात की, बहुत तफसील से बात हुई, लेकिन सही में केंद्र सरकार के पास आज जो उपलब्धता नहीं है ऐसा उन्होंने मुझे कहा है। और इसीलिए उनका भी ये कहना है कि दूसरा कोई चारा नहीं है।
In its defense, Covaxin maker claims that it is supplying to 18 states directly since May the 1st. Meanwhile, state governments of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha have also announced global tenders to seek vaccines.
In the month of February, March and April, more than the domestic consumption, we had exported the vaccine. That is what we had done. Till April, our total exports of the vaccine was more than what we had consumed internally. So we had missed many trains.
Centre has allocated 200 crores for scaling up vaccine manufacturing in the country. India will be producing 10 crore Covaxin doses per month by the end of this year.
While the centre has stepped up its effort to ramp up vaccine production, the opposition parties say it's a clear case of too little and too late. Centre's failure to timely invoke compulsory licensing has derailed India's vaccination drive and has added insult to injury of millions devastated by the virus. This is Anand Patel in New Delhi for India Today.